Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's videos where we're going to learn los números del 70 al 79. The numbers from 70 to 79. This is how you write 70 in Spanish. Setenta is a pronunciation. Setenta is a pronunciation. Like the numbers 30 through 69. Each one has a prefix that we will be using for the number 70 to 79, like in our previous videos, where each one had their own prefixes. This one is going to be the number 70, and it's setenta. And we're going to put the prefix setenta, and we're going to write this three words to reflect 71. And it's pronounced, 71 is pronounced like this, 71, 71, 71. 71. 72 has the same prefix, and it should be like this, 72, 72, 72. For 73, same prefix, and it's written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 73, 73, 73. Number 74 is written like this in Spanish, has the same prefix, where it's setenta, and it has the y cuatro at the end, and it's pronounced 74, 74, 74. Let's go to the next one, 75. 75 has the same prefix, and it's written like this in Spanish, 75. 75, 75, 75. Number 76 has the same prefix. It's written like this in Spanish, and it is pronounced 76, 76, 76. Let's go to number 77. Number 77 has the same prefix, and it is written like this, 77, 77, 77. Number 78 has the same prefix as the rest, and it is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced 78, 78, 78, 78. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the final one for 79. 79 in Spanish is written like this, and it is pronounced 79, 79, 79, 79. Ladies and gentlemen, this will end this video right here for the number 70 to 79, or los números del 70 al 79 in Spanish. Remember, if you had issues remembering how to pronounce or issues remembering how to write the numbers 70 to 79, please stop this video, rewind it, and replay it over and over until you learn it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.